Sometimes I may need to apply several solver models to the same data. For example, in addition to knowing what product mix maximizes the company's net income, I want to know what product mix minimizes the company's total cost spent on materials. To determine this, I would create another solver model. However, creating a new model in the worksheet overrides the previous model. If I later wanted to return the first model, I would have to re-enter its parameters. However, I can store the solver parameters within worksheet cells that I can later retrieve and use to reload and run that solver model. Again, open the solver dialog box, click solver button, click load save button. In this box, select the range in this worksheet. Solver will store the solver parameters in this range. Scroll down. Select a number of 8 cells. Click Save. The first parameter in this cell is $900,000, which is the value of the objective cell under this model. The second parameter in this cell is 4, including the number of variable cells in the model. These 4 cells displays true, which correspond to the constraints in the model. True indicates that the values currently in the worksheet satisfy the constraints. If I later change some of the worksheet data so that it violates a constraint, the solver parameter cells will display false.